me! We had a deal, Bernard! Oh! That's how it's gonna be! Fine! Is your spleen ticklish, huh? Okay, Magnolia, get it together. You're living the dream. Nothing like the life of a jungle scientist. Ah! Nope. Nuh-uh. 2 weeks in a row. Oh. You can do this. You're tough. You're ready. You're a jungle scientist. You're Magnolia! Why does everything here hate me so much? Oh.
Thank you, Patrick.
Silly devil.
Oh.
We'd love to.
Lunchtime!
Yay!
Life's good here.
You said it, George.
Magnolia, please have nice time too.
Bernard, that's right.
Are you okay, Magnolia?
I don't belong here.
No one belongs in Snake.
No, I mean, you all belong in the jungle. I don't. I'm just a science geek in bad cargo shorts. Even the quicksand has it out for me.
No, you part of jungle, just like us.
Indeed. All you need is a little cheering up.
What I need is to go back to my tent, have a cry, and write my resignation letter.
Hey, right! We take you for super cheer-up jungle fun trip!
I really don't want to.
Do it!
How did you?
Don't worry about that. We're here for fun. Cannonball!
Wait! That pond's full of piranha!
It's okay, Magnolia. Piranha good pals. See? We all jungle friends.
Well, okay then. Cannonball!
Oh, me forget they like foreign food. Tasty lunch.
Dig in, Magnolia. They're organic and free range.
Have these ever been tested? I mean, how do you know if they're safe to eat?
Oh, George eats them since he was tiny, George. No problem.
And we apes have enjoyed burger trees for generations.
Okay. You guys are right. It's delicious.
How were you to know you were allergic?
I should have guessed. Great. What's this? Some secret I'm not jungle enough to know?
Yes. I mean, no. No secret.
We were just discussing what fun place to go next.
Yes. Come now. Come. This is dumb. I should just go. Hey, wait. I've never been to this part of the jungle before. Hey! I don't know where I am! Oh, poop. Great! Just one more reason why I don't belong here. Even my so-called friends forgot about me. I'll go back to my tent and then back to the city. Which way is my tent? That way? Oh, maybe through there. No, it's got to be past that tree. Huh. What's he looking at? Whatever it is, must be delicious. It's me, isn't it? I'm delicious. Okay. I know we went south this morning, so my tent has to be north. Okay, Lucky Compass. Don't fail me. No! North! North! How do I find north? And... you're a magnet! Ha! North! Why is my life so hard? There's gotta be a way across. Use those degrees, Magnolia. If I pluck a feather from that bird, it'll squawk and wake up that snake, which will push over that rock, which will roll and knock over that tree, then domino those trees and make a bridge across the chasm. Yes! I knew Jungle Physics 202 wasn't a waste! Come on! It's not rocket science! I hate physics! Oh! I don't like it either, buddy, but it's the only way. Where's your spleen? Pickle, 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 pickle. Ah!